So the same problem from number 2 sometimes occurs in mistake number 3. Mistake number 3 is chicken pecking. So that's where you're setting up for a push-up, and then you're doing this number when you're doing your push-up. And what that does is it creates an imaginary range of motion. You're not actually going anywhere, but if you're doing push-ups and you want to feel like you're getting closer to the floor, well, you're getting your eyes closer to the floor. So maybe it feels like you're getting closer, you're not. So get set up in your push-up position, and there is no substitute for having a full range of motion, which our solution for the chicken pecking is tucking your chin and imagining your body going down in a straight up and down fashion with your back flat like a board. You can almost imagine your toes being my elbow here, and you're pivoting off of those toes with a straight body, right? So straight down, straight up, chin is tucked. So then my whole body does get to the floor each time that I do a rep. The biggest thing is that you're not creating an imaginary range of motion, you're not chicken pecking, and your whole body is moving. That's how you're actually creating or building strength through your chest and through your arms. So move on to mistake number 4.